Understanding Swim Buoy, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of English language and phrases. Today, we're going to dive into the meaning and usage of the phrase, swim buoy. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, this video will help you understand this phrase in a fun and easy way. So, let's get started. Swim buoy consists of two words, and understanding each separately helps in grasping the full meaning. Swim. This verb refers to the act of moving through water by using the arms, legs, and body in motions that propel one forward. It's an activity that humans and many animals do. Buoy. A buoy is a floating device, often brightly colored, that can have various purposes. In maritime contexts, it's used to mark locations, warn of dangers, or aid navigation. Putting them together, a swim buoy generally refers to a specific type of buoy used by swimmers. Swim buoys are floating devices designed specifically for swimmers. They serve multiple purposes. 1. Visibility. Swim buoys are often brightly colored, making swimmers more visible to boats, lifeguards, and other swimmers. 2. Safety. They can act as a flotation device in case a swimmer gets tired or cramps up. 3. Personal belongings. Some swim buoys have a dry compartment where swimmers can store personal items while swimming. Understanding these functions is crucial for appreciating the importance of swim buoys in water safety. To help you understand better, let's look at a few examples of how swim buoy can be used in sentences. I always use a swim buoy for safety when swimming in open water. During the triathlon, all participants were required to have a swim buoy attached to them. These examples show the practical application of the phrase in everyday conversation. I hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of the phrase, swim buoy, and its significance, especially in terms of water safety and swimming. Remember, learning a new language is like swimming. The more you practice, the better you get. Keep swimming in your language learning journey, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful videos like this. Happy learning, and see you next time!